Quiere hacerlo esto un solo shot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. They have racetracks.
Do it again.
I need to do what it's made to do. To do what it's made to do. They've been available. Hi everyone. Today on What's on the Table, we're diving into something that keeps engines and transmission running at a peak performance. ENEOS Oil. So, what's ENEOS? ENEOS is the largest and biggest Japanese oil company in today's market. They've been around for decades and they have one of the highest technologies and lubricants in the world. So what sets ENEOS apart from the rest of oil companies? ENEOS is trusted by the people themselves who build cars and engines and transmissions. We're talking about Toyota, Nissan, Isuzu, Subaru, Mazda, and Mitsubishi. They rely on ENEOS to make the highest quality, so when you buy a car at the factory, most likely the oil is going to be ENEOS oil. Because it's not just a brand, they use what they have, ultra low friction technology that keeps your car running a lot more efficient with less heat and extends the life mileage of your car. So we're going to talk some of the products that we have available at GFX. On this corner we have the engine models, engine oils. This one, for example, is 75W90. We have the OW16 and OW20. Here in the middle, we have the transmission fluids and CVT fluids. This one is Eco CVT, universal fluid. And this is the automatic transmission fluid in generic presentation. These four in blue and red are for specific automatic transmission fluids, such as model S, H, N, and DW. ENEOS is not just for daily drivers. They have an amazing, huge presence in motorsports, and they work at a high level performance under extreme pressure. Guys, so ENEOS has been proven, engineered, and tested by most car companies, and they are also proven at the racetrack, so why not give it a shot? We have all these products and much more available at GFX, so please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to provide you with all the info, catalogs, certificates available from ENEOS. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos. See you next time.